Welcome everyone to the most important things of Bitcoin cryptocurrency news, price action and technical details of the space that we'd like to discuss today for 20th of September 2023 and dive into the details. In the meantime, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel where we have bot trading videos, live trading, and everything that could be beneficial for your trading journey on a crypto side. At the same time, we have our AI bot trading possibility for you guys to join. No upfront fees, only commission from the pure profits made, but I'm going to talk about it a little later on. Now, what's happening on the charts, which is the most important thing, 4-hour candlestick representation, folks. We're actually pushing and we're trying to force for a breakout. There is a huge problem out there in terms of the technical price action representation that is functioning on a conjunction of resistance at this level. So 27, anything around 350 up to 500 is a very strong, extremely strong resistance approach, and we need a proper setup and a very strong event in order to take the volume required and bring the price action much higher than this. There is basically at this time a reversed golden pocket representation of resistance. There is the major downtrending resistance line. There is the previous support current resistance line meeting up all at the same level. 27,500 is over there pushing the energy. On the other side of the things, we're actually coming after an increase from $25,000 on the BTC side, 10% in the past 8 days. So it's not that we were actually not having a great moment in the past days. Totally excluded. We did increase, we did pump, and it's a possibility on the table for a very strong reversal. Now, what does the Andean oscillator indicate us, which is having the ability to showcase how does the bulls and the bears are reacting and dominating? We clearly see that currently the bulls are still dominating, the market is pushing up, yet the indicator is going flat, which is most likely sharing with us the ability that behind the movements of increase, it is not standing the buying pressure, but most likely the selling pressure exiting, at the same time a minor buying pressure that is holding a flat movement. Flat movement holding lacks certainty for the traders, and it's not the way it should be at the end of the day. So if we're about basically to trigger another strong movement upwards, we definitely need to take it as soon as possible, which means that within the next 48 hours. Otherwise, if we're losing the time around this price action, we will get forced downwards due to the fact that people start accumulating into longs over here, and these are the average Joe fishes. Meanwhile, the whales and the exchanges are going to dump on them, right? So they give them time, they allow you to get into your longs, and then they dump on you. This is what usually happens. Again, we have the ability for the markets to deliver an external news based off a reaction, which is totally out of the blue. So what's happening with the CRSI indicator at the bottom is actually showcasing us a undefined zone with an unknown domination on the field. It is not sharing with us that the bulls are moving, keeping in mind that we're not able basically at this time to survive on an uptrending movement with the indicator line, and that's the purple one. So what we would wish to see at this level is basically a reaction into an uptrending movement, and that would fit basically the narrative. Now that's missing over there, just like it's missing on the Andean oscillator. What's happening basically at the current level is not bright. It is not predicting that the market is having more probabilities to continue upwards based on what's happening on the charts. Once again, there's always an exception with the external news that could come in and trigger the movements, and that's something that could survive the current instance. That's it about today's video. 4-hour candlesticks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. We're putting together daily videos, and at the same time, just like I said, for those of you who think that if you want to join What Do I Do, for myself and for my close community, our AI bot trading, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission, completely outsourced. It's simple. You generate the API on your exchange, we get connected, we perform the trading every 7 days. You are paying the commission to us, and our performance is listed on the left side of the screen and on the right side how you can join. Quite simple, folks. At the end of the day, complete the form to participate or contact me right over there, That's it for the moment. And for those of you that value education and believe that improving your skills can improve your performance in the market, make sure to check out scrembocoaching.com. A one-on-one education with me, a live coaching program, will take you by hand and transform you into a trader. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time, it's great to have an extra revenue these days. Have a good time. Talk to you soon.